Something that I've been helping a lot of businesses with, and we've been helping a lot of businesses with lately, has been this idea of adding an alert or some sort of way to communicate your company's policy regarding COVID-19 on your website. So this vlog is actually just going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can add something to your website really quickly, no cost, to communicate with your customers about any policy changes to your company. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add the plugin that I'm recommending, which is called WP Notification Bars. So you want to search for, go to Plugins in WordPress, Add New. It should be the first one that pops up after you search. Click Install Now. It's going to do its thing. This is just a really easy one to implement. Let it do its install. Once it's installed, click Activate. You'll now see that you now have notification bars in your dashboard. And this is just a temporary fix. I would assume after this is all done with, you can remove it. Step 2 is going to be creating a new blog post or page. I recommend posts. They're just easy. So click on Posts and go Add New. You know, this is going to differ depending on your template, but for the most part, this should work. COVID-19 update. Test. So this will be your test. And this will be you'll type in your company's message here, anything you want to convey to potential customers or current customers. Click on Publish. The important thing here is to snag this URL where it says permalink and just copy that so you have it. I'd throw it into Notepad or something. Just keep that address handy. Now you have the plugin installed and the post set up. We're going to go to notification bars in the WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New, the top here. We're going to call this one COVID-19. This title doesn't matter. It's just the back end. I'm going to leave all these defaults. You can play with these yourself if you want. Content. So I always choose button. Text would be COVID-19 update. Spelled properly. Link text is read more. It's my preferences. You can see how this will look after. The link URL is now to that post you created. So you're going to want to paste that in there so that when they click the Read More button, they go to that new blog post. Style lets you choose colors that can match your brand. I'd leave that the font size to default. Conditions, I'd leave the default so it displays everywhere, but you can specify where and how you want this thing to display based on how they came to your site or what pages they're on. Click on Publish, and you're done. The last thing I wanted to show you was just how to move the bar down to the bottom. The plugin doesn't allow you to do it by default, and sometimes, just to be transparent, your WordPress framework or theme, if you're using a theme, might not allow you to inject the code of the alert bar into the top of the site. So you might want to move it to the bottom, or you just might want to have it at the bottom. So to do that, you just, in WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and Customize. And I'm just providing you with this information just in case you want to move it. I feel at the end of this video, you should be able to do everything you need. So go to Additional CSS like I just saw at the bottom of Customize. And this is the code right here. So you'll just want to pause the screen right now and copy that code and add that in. And that'll move the bar down to the bottom for you.